Hey everyone, welcome to YouTube Dev channel, and in this video we will be talking about Hackerrank certification. I hope you all know that Hackerrank has started providing certifications for like certain languages, frameworks like for React.js, Angular, JavaScript, Java, and also for problem solving and REST APIs and lots other stuffs. Okay, so that we can like see from the Hackerrank dashboard. Okay, so let's see. Okay friends, so I hope the HackerRank dashboard is visible to you all. Okay, so yeah, so this is where this is the new section that has been added, like for certification and get your skills certified. So yeah, these are the sections that you can see: problem solving, REST APIs, Angular, JavaScript, Python, and lot others here, like for React and other stuffs also. And once you get certified, you get the certificate, like like as you can see, HackerRank certificate and your name and the JavaScript, and it is also signed by the CTO at HackerRank. Okay, so yeah, and one more thing, there are several levels also, like for basic, intermediate. Okay, so once you clear your basics, you can also go for the intermediate level. Okay, so friends, I have been certified for JavaScript and React. Okay, so in this video, like in this video series, we will be talking about the questions that we can practice to get certified by HackerRank for React.js. And if you want to get certified for JS and if you want to practice those questions, then I will drop a link in the description box below. You can just click and you can practice from there. Okay, so it's this is all about it's a small intro, okay, about the series that it will be going to about. Okay, so yeah, if you like my videos and content, then do subscribe to my channel and do like my videos. Okay, so now let's see the problem and the solution. Okay, so you will be getting a URL that you will have to clone on your local, and then you will be getting this folder structure that you get when you do the create react app command. You run the create react app command, and you will have to run npm install and npm start to get your node modules and to get your project running. Okay, now let's have a look at the code that we get. Okay, so guys, this is the pre-written code that we get from HackerRank. Okay, so yeah, and let's see what we have to do. Whenever the user will be clicking on this, an API will be hit, and we will have to render the data. Okay, and here we have to show the total matches count. Okay, and here we have to show the match name of the match won by the winner. Okay, and here no matches found will be only shown after the first API hit. Okay, before that we have to show nothing. Okay, so let's start coding. Okay, so yeah, this first it was not provided. Actually, I have written this. Okay, so I forgot to delete it basically. Okay, so yeah, this was the code that we got. First it was defined by me. Okay, so guys, let's go ahead and let's fetch the data from the API, the API that HackerRank has provided us, the URL. Okay, um, let me write it. I'm using simple fetch. Okay, simple fetch to hit our API. Okay, so once I will be getting the data from the API, I will pass it, or like I will format it as per my need, and I will be storing it into our state. Okay. Okay, let's see the API, let's hit it in the browser and let's see the response what it gives, because it's a get API. Okay, so we can easily get the response from the like by hitting it in the browser. Okay, so cool. I hope you can see the data that we are getting. Okay, so we are getting the data, basically the array of objects in our data key. Okay, so that's why I have written over there json.data. Okay, so now let's code further. Okay, so here what we are doing is, this is the list of years that was shown on the left. Okay, so I'm just adding a on-click handler so that we can send the corresponding year on which we will be clicking, so that we can send that year as an argument to the function. Okay, over here. Okay, so I have done, nothing. Just I have just checked whether our array is having, the length. That means our array is not empty. Okay, so if our array is empty, so then only I will be rendering this portion. Okay, and then we will also check whether our first hit variable or not. Okay, basically the value of first is hit is true or false, because it will tell us that like the API has been hit or not. Okay, the first hit has been made or not, so that we can conditionally show the no matches found string. Okay. Okay, so now here we will be looping over our match data. Okay, so that we can get the object, okay, individual object, individual data from that match data array, and so that we can show the data like match and the winner of the match and the name of the match. Like we have to specify over here, like match, name of the match, like match ABC won by the winner. Like, okay, so now right now we are not getting anything. Let's hit the API. Cool. Okay, so we got the list. Okay, we need to show here the total matches. Let me do this quickly. Okay, so cool. We got our total matches also and the list of the data. Okay, as you can see, match, name of the match won by the winner. So okay, so here we didn't get any data, so that's why no matches found. Okay, so cool. Okay, so guys, one more thing that you can do over here, that Hackerrank provides us, like you can test your answer before submitting it. Okay, so for that the command that we have is npm test. Okay, just simply run this command npm test, and it will tell you that the number of test cases that were passed. Okay, and it will also tell you the scenarios that you have to pass. Okay, the scenarios that you have to pass, like, okay, so let's see whether we pass the test cases or not. Okay, so we got an error. Okay, so it's nothing, it's just saying that we have to give it a key property, okay, where we are traversing our array, like here li, it should have a key property. Okay, so I will assign it index. uh, okay, so guys, as you can see, let me yeah, okay, so as you can see, these are the scenarios that should pass. Okay, like rendering proper initial UI and proper click and search button. You can see, you can read it. Okay, it also shows us the test suits and the test cases that we have to pass. Okay, so so congrats guys, we have passed all the test cases. Okay, so now you can go ahead and yeah, now we can simply submit our test on Hackerrank. Okay, we can simply basically push, like we have cloned it on our local, so we can simply push it to that repo. Okay, so like by solving this, we have solved our first question of Hackerrank certification. Okay, so guys, stay tuned and do watch my another video also. As the Hackerrank, in this process there are two questions that are asked, so do watch my another video also, so that you can easily crack the uh, the question, basically the exam. So stay tuned, thank you, I will catch you all in the next video.